Hey, this is my Colt. I believe it's a 2019 Colt. I just repainted it and I made a custom seat for it. It's like this black denim. I think it came out pretty nice from the way the seat was. The seat was really bad shape. Uh, Came out pretty good. There are just some little wrinkles in the back, but besides that's good. My other bike, I actually took off this piece and I sold it on the material, but this time I went a little bit more cheap. I just put all the thing and I just cut a little slice with a razor blade. Yeah, it has a Colt hub. The nice thing about this bike, it has Primo pedals, some old Primo pedals I had on one of my first bikes. Also Primo crank arms, Primo bottom bracket bearings, a Primo sprocket as well, and then also a Primo chain half link. Not sure if you can see it. It says Primo. Yeah, I did a decent job painting it. Like you can see, there's no runs. That's what I do when I paint my bikes. I don't like having runs on my bikes. I think it just looks terrible. Yeah. I have the seat pretty high because I'm not going to be doing park tricks anytime soon. I'm just put it high if I can be able to ride it. It has Colt van grips. I put like a Dan's Comp sticker because it had like this orangey red, and I just thought it made the bike look pretty good. Yeah, like I said, I just repainted it. Came out pretty nice. It's not like 100% brand new, but it gave life to the actual frame itself.